Hey friends, so a couple of people have asked about how to secure your wig, and I did a video a while back about gluing down kind of the front of your wig, but some people have asked me about wig grips and wig caps. So I wanted to show you how I use my wig grip when I'm going to use it. I love this particular style. I have them here in the studio. They're $20. I like it because the back is like a bra strap. The ones with the Velcro just added too much bulk for me. So you can make this as small as like 20-inch circumference or as large as like 23 or even 24 because there's so much stretch. It's got these really great silicone grippers right here and a lace panel. The lace panel would sit where the part is on your wig. So when I put it on, I kind of put it around like a necklace like that. And then I slide it up over. You always want to make sure that these silicone strips right here are on the outside. I just kind of slide it up behind my ears. I try to make sure like it's not folded funny, only because that could get uncomfortable. All right, that's perfect. Just a little bit behind my hairline right there. Oh yeah, you can see my scalp right there. Then what I do is I grab my wig and I kind of dive into it. So this is the front of the wig, this is the back. I hold it on either side of like where like the adjusters are. I put my thumbs on each side and I kind of dive my forehead into it. And I use my forehead to kind of anchor it. So I'm diving in, I'm stretching the back. Underneath, I don't know if you guys can see this, underneath that wig grip, flipping over. She's a little too low right now. And then I just kind of lift and put her back to where my natural hairline would be. On most wigs, you're gonna feel these little ear tabs on either side. What you wanna do is make sure they're parallel to each other. So you don't wanna have one ear tab up here and one down there because that'll make for a very crooked wig. So you just kind of wanna make sure that they're sitting where they are. Just so you know, give yourself some grace when you're practicing putting on your wig. It takes a few times. And when you're practicing, I would definitely recommend practicing without a wig grip. Once you've got that wig grip on, trust me, that wig's not going anywhere. You could be doing cartwheels down the hallway, your wig's gonna stay on. So when you're first learning how to put your wig on and where it should sit correctly, you wanna have a little bit of movement just so it's easy for you to kind of adjust it. It'll take you 3 or 4 times. And once you kind of have your system down, you'll probably be able to get that wig on without needing to adjust it at all. Like you'll just feel it, kind of if you know, you know. And then once you have that all figured out, then you can put your wig grip on and then your wig. I'm not saying you can't adjust it with a wig grip on, it just makes it a little bit more difficult. And I think wearing a wig, especially the first couple of times, it's already a difficult process, like emotionally and kind of physically getting it on. I just don't want you to do anything that's gonna make it more challenging. So practice putting your wig on and off without the wig grip first. And then once you've kind of got it down, then you add the wig grip in for security. If you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here. You can DM me or you can pop a comment below. Oh yeah, I'm talking too fast. I hope you guys have the best day ever. Bye.